hazards on. Oh shoot.
Oh yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with Lamborghini Murcielago Rebuild Episode 2. We got a bright and early morning, 8 a.m., and we're kicking it off, head over to Corsa to hopefully knock out this project in a few hours.
Yeah, Jeffrey got the parts in the trunk, and it looks like everything that we need. Maybe just a bolt-on, bolt-off kind of process. I don't want to speak too soon because it never works out like that, but if it does, that'd be sweet.
Yeah, we'll see if we get lucky again. And then if all goes well, hopefully, fingers crossed, we will be going on the car's first maiden voyage. But then, of course, we hope it has good clutch life and actually, like, works, you know, that would be good. So we'll see at the end of this video if we can go for a quick test drive. And then, of course, it's going to need an alignment, maybe an oil change, but like that's about it. Oh, I also need to go get a battery because it's completely dead too. So got a few things to do. So with all of us working at it, we should be able to knock it out pretty darn quick. And speaking of quick, you better quickly go enter for the free car giveaways, which is ending, I think, at some point here pretty soon. We're filming this before it's even launched. 100% free, you don't pay anything, and yeah, somebody's gonna be getting a car. So I hope you all do that and support this one so that we can do more of these giveaways and give away more cars in the future. Maybe a Lamborghini Murcielago one day. Probably not. Maybe, you never know. All right, into Corey's we go. All right, grab that part. Did I get the right one? Is that the right thing?
Sure looks like it. Is it the left side?
Yes, I did confirm that. You know, didn't want to get the right side. Okay, perfect. Always got some crazy cars here at Corsa. Oh, what is this? This is new. Skyline? That's why the RB26 was over here. No, I thought the RB26 was because we're gonna swap it into the Mercy if it has a blown engine.
Oh, that would lighten it up.
Yeah, what do you guys think? If the Mercy engine is blown, should we swap in the RB26? Well, here she is, ladies and gentlemen. As we revealed last video, this is our new 2006 Lamborghini Murcielago Roadster. Basically, we thought the whole rear end was gonna be messed up, but it wasn't as bad as we thought.
Yeah, it turns out just the hub carrier knuckle busted, just like it did on our UGR Twin Turbo Gallardo. Deja vu all over again. It should just be a matter of replacing the lower control arm, the knuckle, and the upper control arm.
Yeah, let's see.
A little bit easier said than done. The whole rotor has to come off, but the rotor's in good shape, and everything else seemed to survive.
That is such a gnarly crack. It just like snapped the whole thing. Wow. Okay, so that's what we're gonna be replacing, along with the control arms. See, that one's slightly bent, but aside from that, we should be in business. And then throw in the new battery, and then we should be good for a first start and a first drive after all this. So when Corey gets back here, you guys are gonna tackle it. I'll get the battery. All right, good morning, Corey.
Hey,
and John, thank you guys for you know, helping tackle this, or you're really doing the hard work. What's the game plan here?
we're gonna start by ripping the brakes off, take off the sway bar end links, take the shocks out, and then start working on the control arms. Obviously unbolt the axle. We just swap everything over, and it's nice because it's all kind of assembled. We'll just double check these, obviously, make sure the connectors are good. Reassembly shouldn't be that bad.
Okay, sweet, sounds good. All right, guys, and just like that, John and Corey killed that. That was really fast, guys.
Thank you.
I'm glad we were able to help in the slightest bit. Actually, Christian was doing the grills. I cleaned the brake caliper, okay?
Yeah,
I helped.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I bought the battery. You know, I had to run to Walmart. Someone's got to do it, so it might as well be me and leave you guys to the hard stuff. But this looks great. So it went together nicely, just easy peasy.
Actually, it did.
Yeah, look at this, guys. No longer cracked across the bottom of the hub. Looks great under here. Control arms. So most likely the alignment's gonna be a little whack.
Yeah, we're gonna have to send it off to alignment after this, and but
it's good enough for a quick test drive, eh? Yeah. Okay, all right, down she goes. Oh, it looks good. Okay, guys, well, let's do a first startup. Sweet. All right, in we go. Guys, I hope you left your opinions on the last video of whether we should unwrap it or leave it the chrome satin blue or go back to this balloon white. I really love the balloon white, but honestly in person this wrap looks pretty cool too, so not sure what we're gonna do. Ah, headroom. headroom. It's beautiful. We fit so nicely. I went to go put in the clutch. That's how used I am to the other one. We have life. 19,028 miles. Oh yeah. Good oil pressure, no warning lights except for the door. Close that. There we go. And then just the front end lift is up. And it thinks it's the year 2000. I don't know what it's thinking, but no warning lights. That's great. Okay, I just hit the bat wings up. You already know it looks 10 times cooler with those up. Okay, first time putting it in gear. Reverse. We have reverse. Yes. Nice. All right. We're moving.
Always go for the wrong side of the seatbelt.
Every time. It's obviously a lot louder than our coupe because it has an exhaust, muffler delete, and secondary cat delete. It sounds pretty good already. Oh yeah, sport mode. You always gotta drive in sport mode. Everyone's staring at us.
As our coupe, I can hear it, but just so much more engine noise.
Oh yeah. Apparently the downshifts are pretty nice too, so we'll see. Feels good. And the alignment's good. Well, I don't know. Obviously the front wheels are good. We don't know how the back one's doing. Yeah. Alright, let's get a little downshift.
Oh yes.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yes. That is a lot of cylinders firing away back there. Man.
Everybody's staring. In the sunlight, this wrap just like glows. I'll have to go get some gas because what do you know? The first thing we do, get gas. Gotta love 8 miles to the gallon. Yeah, the E-Gear, it's super similar to what we're used to. Like, it's fine.
Yeah.
I don't really feel a problem. Like we said last video, it's par for the course. Mid-2000s supercars. You got single clutch F1 gearboxes. We'll have to do the clutch reading to see how much life is left, but I don't know, feels okay.
If this is the original clutch, then I think it feels great for the original.
Yeah, I really hope it's not the original clutch, because now's the time the original clutches go out. Well, then again, you could fry the clutch in 10 minutes, backing it up a hill, so. Oh, nice, we do have the $600 gas cap. That's good, don't lose that. Here we go, first time in the light with the wrap. What do you guys think? It's hard to tell. The camera doesn't do it justice, but so yes, this car does have like a huge 25-gallon tank, but have no fear, we're saving like 60 cents off per gallon right now because we use the Get Upside app. You hear us talking about it all the time, but that's for good reason, because it gives you free cash back whenever you get gas at thousands of stations across the US. No, they're not paying us to say that. They just have a great invite program where we get some extra savings, you get some extra savings. So be sure to use our code down below when you download the app. All right, warm start, hit it. Oh yeah. We need an exhaust on our coupe so bad. Why have we waited? But it does not cross over into an X-pipe, so with an X-pipe, it could sound even crazier. Oh, that was nothing, and that sounded so good. Why have we not done an exhaust on our yellow car? So nice, and that was nowhere near full throttle. That was just kind of rolling on it a little bit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Why are the hazards on? Oh crap. Why is he pulled over? Oh shoot. Oh, he got me scared. He's going back in now. Why would... I guess the hatch somehow opened itself? Oh gosh, he scared me. He put the hazards on and he started rushing to open the engine bay. I thought something was like on fire. That would be terrible. Just fix the Murcielago and it burns down. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Fire, holy crap. vlog, you scared me. You literally put on the hazards and you're running out to pull the hood. I thought the thing was on fire.
Yeah, we didn't close the deck lid all the way.
Oops.
Good thing it has a safety latch just like a hood.
Good. Give me a little acceleration on this. All right, rolling back up. Successful test drive. Didn't break the car yet. No warning lights. Ran well. Dude, this seems solid.
Awesome.
Unreal. Rebuild went down in a total of like 3 hours, start to finish, to repair this car. Boom. That is what I call a successful test drive.
I was gonna use the exact same words.
Right? Normally something always goes wrong. Something always happens with us.
I guess that's what happens when you leave it to these guys at Corsa, so. Oh,
Ooh.
second key.
What is, oh, yes,
We have
finally.
Never gotten a second key from an auction car, have we?
No, they always come with one key usually because, I don't know, the owners like to keep the second key or somehow they get lost, whatever, but finally, nice. But beyond the second key, what do we have here? This is not our paperwork. I assume it's registration. Oh, yep, can't show that. Registration of the previous owner. Also, what is this? This looks like a receipt. Okay. Oh, we got a maintenance record. What was done? Come on, please be a clutch. Whoa, look at this. At 18,280 miles, so 800 miles ago, it was at Raging Bull Performance in California getting what was done. Okay, Murcielago spark plug coil kit. 12 coil packs, I take it. So 12 new coil packs and just one spark plug or 12 spark plugs? I don't know. Is one $43 or is 12 $43? Probably one. I don't know why you replaced just one spark plug though, but that would be great if it had all new coil packs because those always go on these cars, so that would be nice. So we got labor $640, parts $728, total out the door $1,424. Heck yeah! All right, not that I have previous maintenance records, but it's good to at least have one showing that all the coil packs were done. Nice, that's a cool little bonus. Look who just rolled up. What are you doing here?
Arizona.
Where'd you fly from?
I was in Dallas for the week,
So just
shooting P1s, and now I'm here
nice.
looking at this beautiful creation.
You're literally the first person to see it. Like, you just came out of nowhere. What do you think?
This is amazing.
I want your opinion. Unwrap it or leave the blue.
What
Do you
color
like
is
it?
White?
Yeah, it's balloon white. So I mean, it's a really pretty
Balloon
color.
white's dope.
Right, but
Balloon
like
white is
satin
dope.
chrome blue. It's cool in person, right?
I think you ride it out until you're tired of looking at it,
Okay.
and then you just unwrap it and make
Perfect.
it white.
Yeah, that's fair. All
Or
right.
you give it like a crazy Mercy color.
Yeah, it
You know,
is a crazy
like
car.
Acid green or something insane, right?
Yeah, an even crazier wrap. Yeah. But
As promised, while Jeffrey is messing around with the Murcielago, our brand new Futura Gen 4 trailer. We have had our eye on this trailer for literally over 3 years now, and for the past 5 years, we've been needing a trailer so bad. We've used U-Hauls, we've borrowed friends' trailers, we've rented other trailers, so we are so excited to finally come away with this one. It lays flat on the ground, so you could push it up with a finger, but it also has a winch just in case you need it. Aluminum, super lightweight, tows like a dream too. I hauled this thing all the way back from Los Angeles, from Complete Trailers, particularly their California location, but they also have a Colorado location and a Texas location. So they really took care of us. It has electric brakes, it has torsion bar suspension instead of leaf springs, and this thing I think will hold its value so well. You guys will be seeing this trailer in probably every single new car pickup video to come.
well, there you guys have it. What do you think of our new and improved Lamborghini Murcielago Roadster? I'm so happy to report that Christian and I fit so nicely in it. No worries about headroom or getting in and out and twisting our backs all 6'6".
But above the windshield, your hair goes crazy.
That is true, yeah. So what do you guys think? Final chance to comment down below, either to unwrap it or leave it. The chrome, satin, whatever the heck brand wrap this is, I don't know.
Well, we should start by peeling off the wrap off this quarter. Need to anyway.
That's true. But yeah, there's the wheel. Look at that. All went back together nicely. Again, they crushed that in like 2 to 3 hours. That was so fast. And the car is, I guess, done. Aside from that little body work, like that was the easiest, quickest rebuild we've ever done. Which is hard to believe for a car that was sent to salvage auction, totaled by insurance.
I'm really curious to see maybe what the insurance quote write-up, what the shop quoted for to fix this thing, because how did this thing end up totaled?
Unreal. Insurance companies are crazy these days. I guess they realize how much they're going for at auctions and like how long it's taking to get parts. So they just say, you know what, it's not worth the hassle, just cut people a check, no liability that way, and send the things to auction down the road. So we're able to pick them up at auction for cheap, rebuild them, usually for cheap, and then have a car for sometimes half of what it would normally cost. So that's what this channel is all about, bringing these supercars back to their former glory. Can't wait to get this thing really ripping on the road. That was just a little baby test drive. We'll do some more full sends coming here soon, but it seems to hold up very nicely. So
A wash would probably help too.
yes, a good detail is in order. We definitely need to do that, clean the seats. These seats have been, you know, baking in the sun. They've been begging for some conditioner. So we will do that probably next video, get it all cleaned up. Yeah, if this is the wrap dirty, wait till it's clean. It's gonna look so good. All right, well, stay tuned for that, guys. You're gonna wanna subscribe so you don't miss that content. Stay tuned for more FF videos and all the things we got in the garage, Maserati, tons of stuff going on right now, and we still have like 2 cars to reveal, so it's always a crazy time here on the JR Garage.
Which is why we need to make some more room, and hence the free car giveaway of that Corvette C5.
Literally, we got to start giving away more cars so we have more room to buy more cars. So be sure to support this giveaway and all of our future ones. It literally sounds too good to be true, getting a free car, right? That's crazy, but no, it's not too good to be true. We've already done it twice before, and we're gonna do many more in the future. So follow free car giveaways to win our famous cool cars. All right, thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next one.
Say that it feels right.